In today's video, I am going to teach you blocked on WhatsApp. Here's how to check it fast. Before we dive in, a quick note: none of these signs alone can confirm a block with absolute certainty. Privacy settings, app glitches, and connectivity issues can look very similar. The goal is to look for a consistent pattern across several signs rather than relying on just one. First, check their last seen or online status. If you used to see when they were active and now that information has completely disappeared, it might indicate a block. However, many people turn off last seen or restrict who can view it. So don't jump to conclusions based on this alone. Treat it as an early clue, not proof. Next, look at their profile photo. If their picture suddenly vanishes and you only see the default silhouette icon, or it never updates over time while others' profiles do, that's a stronger hint. Again, they might have changed their privacy settings to show their photo only to certain contacts, so consider it another piece of the puzzle. Now, try the single tick test by sending a message. On WhatsApp, 1 check mark means your message left your phone and 2 check marks mean it was delivered to their device. If your messages to this person remain stuck on a single check mark for an extended period, that's a classic sign of being blocked. Be mindful though, if their phone is off, out of coverage, or they've uninstalled WhatsApp. You might also see a single tick temporarily. If you need a more definitive indicator, attempt to create a group and add the contact. Start a new group, try to add them, and watch what happens. If you receive a message saying you couldn't add them or that you are not allowed to add this person, that strongly suggests a block. You can delete the test group afterward to keep your chats tidy. Lastly, try calling them on WhatsApp. When someone has blocked you, your calls generally won't connect or ring through on their end. Just remember that a poor internet connection or do not disturb settings can also prevent calls from connecting. So interpret this alongside the other signs. If several of these indicators line up consistently, it's very likely you've been blocked. If only one sign appears, it might simply be privacy changes or temporary issues. Whatever the outcome, respect the other person's boundaries. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.